in case you're wondering what this glass of goo is, it's going to eventually turn into avocado mayonnaise. So what I've got in here is just 1 avocado. We've got 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 100 ml of filtered water, and we've got 80 ml of extra virgin olive oil. We've got some sea salt, and I think that's pretty much it. And then we're just going to whiz it all together in there, and it's going to turn into some mayonnaise, which we'll see in a second. I think that'll just about do it. But there we have avocado mayonnaise, and you can store it in the fridge as well in a sealed container, and it's really good for over top of I'm going to be putting it on the top of my chicken. I've made a chicken wrap for tonight, so I'm going to pour it all over that, so I'll show you the picture in a bit. And I'm going to use this to pour on my chicken and veg wrap like so. Oh, it looks all very nice and Instagram-ish, doesn't it?